If your dream is to make $1 million by 2025, but you're currently low on funds, you're probably wondering where to even begin. The reality is that many businesses require significant startup capital just to get off the ground. However, I've discovered a few lucrative opportunities that can be started with less than $100, and they have the potential to skyrocket into million-dollar ventures. Today, I'm breaking down the top 10 easiest businesses that you can start even if you're broke. By the end of this video, you'll know which of these businesses has the best chance of making you a millionaire and how you can get started today. First on my list is growing microgreens. Microgreens are tiny, nutrient-rich plants harvested just after the first leaves develop. They're used by restaurants and cafes for their rich flavors and nutritional value, yet they're not always readily available in local supermarkets. This gap creates a prime opportunity for you to step in as a supplier. Why it works. Microgreens are versatile and have a quick turnaround time, typically only 7 to 10 days. Popular microgreens like sunflower, radish, and pea shoots are inexpensive to grow, but can be sold at a significant markup, yielding high profit margins. Materials needed. Basic supplies include plastic growing trays, $10 each, quality seeds, around $15, and sunlight or LED grow lights if you're indoors. Initial steps. Begin by preparing the trays with soil, spreading the seeds, and watering them lightly. Place the trays in a sunny spot or under grow lights, keeping them moist until they sprout. Once grown, harvest by cutting at the base and packaging them for delivery. Marketing tips. Approach local restaurants and cafes with samples and emphasize the freshness and local sourcing of your microgreens. Offer discounts or bundle deals to secure your first orders. Scaling up. Reinvent your small profits into more trays and seeds. As your customer base grows, consider moving operations to a small greenhouse or larger indoor setup to increase production. Donnie Green's journey from door-to-door sales to a thriving microgreens business earning $3,000 weekly shows that with dedication and strategic scaling, this can be a lucrative semi-passive business. Number 2 on my list, pressure washing business. Pressure washing isn't just about cleaning dirt, it's about restoring homes to their former glory, a service that many homeowners are willing to pay for. Driveways, patios, and siding collect grime and mold over time, and most people don't own the equipment or have the time to do it themselves. Why it works. This business meets a recurring need, especially in suburban and residential areas. The services can be priced between $100 and $500 per job, and even higher for large homes or special requests like roof cleaning. How to start. Equipment. Start with a secondhand pressure washer for around $100, sourced from sites like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Initial steps. Offer free or discounted services to neighbors to gain testimonials and photos for your portfolio. Highlight before and after pictures on social media to build credibility. Marketing tips. Use neighborhood apps, create a simple website, and distribute flyers. Word of mouth can be extremely effective in this business as satisfied customers share their experiences with friends. Scaling up. Invest in higher grade equipment as profits roll in. Expand by hiring part-time employees or partnering with local real estate agents for referral jobs. Chase, an 18-year-old, scaled his pressure washing business to $150,000 per year by starting with a basic setup and offering local services. This proves that with dedication, even a teenager can transform this business into a 6-figure operation. Number 3, start a faceless YouTube channels. Faceless YouTube channels are booming, thanks to the variety of content formats that don't require the creator to appear on camera. These channels range from animations and informational videos to top 10 lists and explainer videos. With AI tools making video production more efficient, starting this business has become more accessible than ever. Why it works. YouTube's ad revenue model and opportunities for affiliate marketing or sponsored content can generate substantial income. Channels with consistent quality content in profitable niches can earn from a few thousand to millions annually. How to start. Research. Watch tutorials on YouTube to understand the process of video scripting, editing, and content ideation. Niche selection. Choose a niche you're interested in that has proven demand. Popular choices include finance, tech reviews, life hacks, and educational content. First steps. Post 1 video per week using free or low-cost editing tools like DaVinci Resolve or beginner-friendly platforms such as Canva. Use AI tools for voiceovers and script generation to cut down on initial workload. Monetization strategy. Once monetized, reinvest earnings into hiring freelancers for script writing, voiceovers, and editing. This allows you to scale up by posting more frequently or expanding to multiple channels. Noah Morris and Paul Hilsey are prime examples of entrepreneurs who turned faceless channels into multi-million-dollar ventures by outsourcing work and focusing on channel growth and strategy. Number 4, building an email list. Email marketing is one of the most profitable business models due to its low operational costs and high ROI. Building an engaged email list allows you to market products or services directly to a targeted audience. Why it works. Unlike Unlike social media, which relies on ever-changing algorithms, an email list is a direct line to your audience. It provides opportunities for recurring revenue through courses, digital products, or even affiliate marketing. How to start. Platform. Create an account on ConvertKit or MailChimp for free. Niche selection. Choose a topic you're passionate about, whether it's personal finance, cooking, or home DIY projects. Content creation. Start by posting helpful and valuable content on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn to attract subscribers. Offer a lead magnet, such as a free guide or exclusive tips, to encourage signups. Monetization strategy. Once your list grows, create digital products like ebooks, courses, or membership sites. You can also promote affiliate products that align with your audience's interests. Justin Goff, who makes $60,000 a month by writing daily emails about copywriting, started with a small list that grew through consistent value delivery and targeted products. Number 5, selling digital products. Digital products are attractive for their scalability and low overhead costs. Once created, they can be sold indefinitely without needing to manage inventory or deal with shipping. Why it works. Whether it's an online course, ebook, or software template, digital products cater. How to start. Finding your niche. Think of areas where you have expertise or strong interest. This could range from photography tips, fitness routines, and educational guides to marketing templates or coding lessons. Product creation. Begin with simple products like ebooks or mini courses. Free tools like Canva can help you design visually appealing digital guides, while platforms like Teachable or Gumroad can host your products. Marketing strategy. Build an audience by posting valuable content on social media or blogging. Showcase your expertise and create anticipation for your product launch. Scaling up. After your first product proves successful, use feedback to create additional, more comprehensive products or bundle them together. Introduce tiered offerings to cater to various budget levels. I personally generate over $40,000 monthly from selling digital products, such as an affiliate marketing course. This example underscores the potential revenue when you align your expertise with market demand. Number 6, social media management. With more businesses realizing that a strong online presence drives growth, the need for skilled social media managers is surging. This is an opportunity for you to position yourself as an essential partner in their digital growth. Why it works. Small and medium-sized businesses often don't have the time or expertise to manage their social channels effectively. They're willing to pay handsomely for experts who can increase their engagement and visibility. How to start. Learning the trade. Dedicate time to understanding the algorithms and best practices of popular platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Online courses and free tutorials can accelerate this process. Portfolio building. Start by offering services for free or at a low cost to a few small businesses. Focus on measurable results like follower growth or engagement boosts, and use these metrics to build case studies. Finding clients. Network through LinkedIn, attend local business meetups, or join freelancing platforms to find initial clients. Offer services like content scheduling, social media strategy, and ad management. Scaling. Once you've built a portfolio and established trust, raise your rates and consider expanding your service scope. Form a small team to handle more clients, with specialists focusing on different platforms. Iman, a 19-year-old from Canada, scaled his social media management business to $1 million operation within 15 months. His approach involved specializing in helping businesses grow their YouTube channels, a targeted niche with high demand. Number 7, copywriting. Copywriting is a skill that pays dividends because nearly every business requires compelling content to convert readers into customers. If you have a way with words, this is a low-cost entry into a profitable industry. Why it works. Good copy can make or break a product's sales performance. Companies and entrepreneurs recognize this and are willing to pay handsomely for writing that sells. How to start. Skill development. Read foundational books like the Adweek Copywriting Handbook or Made to Stick, and consume free content from experienced copywriters on YouTube. Niche down. Decide whether you want to specialize in writing for landing pages, emails, product descriptions, or social media ads. Each has its own style and set of requirements. Portfolio creation. Start by writing sample pieces or volunteer for small projects to build up your portfolio. Reach out to potential clients on LinkedIn or freelance platforms and offer your services at a reduced rate to gather testimonials. Pricing strategy. Once you've built a solid portfolio, charge per project or by retainer. Established copywriters often earn $3,000 to $5,000 per client and can scale to multiple clients per month. Nick Verge transitioned from door-to-door sales to making over $40,000 per month as a copywriter. His rise showcases the potential of this skill when paired with persistence and strategic client acquisition. Number 8. Video editing and production business. The boom in video content across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram has led to an increased demand for quality video editors. But instead of working alone, scaling this into a production business can multiply your revenue. Why it works. As more content creators and businesses enter the digital space, their need for polished, engaging video content grows. Offering this as a service positions you at the heart of their content strategies. How to start. Skill development. Invest time in learning editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or free options like DaVinci Resolve. Portfolio building. Create a reel with sample edits. Consider reaching out to small creators or businesses to edit a video for free or at a low cost for experience. Finding clients. Use social media, freelancing platforms, and video-focused communities to connect with clients. Once you land steady work, consider hiring a small team of editors and animators to handle the increased workload. Scaling strategy. Charge $500 to $1,500 per project, depending on the complexity. With a team, you can handle multiple clients simultaneously, splitting the profit margin between the team members and the business. Scott Parker transformed from a struggling college dropout to a $600,000 a year video production business owner by leveraging his editing skills and assembling a team. Number 9. Personal branding agency. The next frontier in digital growth is personal branding. More celebrities and athletes are catching on to this trend, seeking professional assistance to bolster their public image. Why it works. Personal brands are valuable assets that can lead to partnerships, sponsorships, and increased market reach. Managing this process for others opens up a niche market that can be highly lucrative. How to start. Choose a platform. Focus on a single platform where you'll become an expert, like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Initial work for experience. Offer to manage the social media presence of a local influencer or business for free to gain insights and success stories. Develop a signature strategy. Differentiate your service by developing a unique approach or style that optimizes the growth of your clients' brands. Pricing. Start with retainer models, charging clients to $5,000 monthly for comprehensive social media management. Cristiano Ronaldo's strategic moves on social media show the impact of personal branding. While your clients may not be on his level, the principle remains the same. Establish and enhance their brand, turning them into influential figures in their niches. And number 10 on my list, affiliate marketing. Finally, we have affiliate marketing, a business model that scales easily with little initial investment. This model involves promoting products from other companies and earning a commission on sales generated through your referral links. Why it works. Affiliate marketing leverages content to create passive income streams. Once content is posted, it can keep generating income with minimal upkeep. How to start. Choosing your niche. Pick a niche you are passionate about. Popular niches include technology, health and wellness, finance, and lifestyle. It's important that you choose a topic you're genuinely interested in to maintain consistency in content creation. Content creation. Create content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, YouTube videos, TikToks, or Instagram Reels. The content should naturally incorporate your affiliate links without appearing overly promotional. Platform selection. Focus on platforms that align with your strengths. If you're good at video production, YouTube or TikTok might be ideal. If you prefer writing, starting a blog, or utilizing LinkedIn articles could be more effective. Affiliate programs. Join reputable affiliate programs that offer good commission rates. Amazon Associates is a popular choice for beginners due to its ease of entry, but other programs like Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, and niche-specific platforms can offer higher payouts. Scaling. Once you start earning a consistent income, reinvest in your content. This could mean upgrading your video equipment, improving your website's SEO, or hiring freelancers to create more content. Expand by promoting higher ticket products that offer larger commissions, such as software or online courses. One of my students turned their passion for tech gadgets into an affiliate marketing empire, earning $826,000 in 1 year by leveraging YouTube and TikTok for product reviews and tutorials. Tips for success across all 10 business models. Consistency is key. No matter which business you choose, consistency is what sets successful entrepreneurs apart. Show up regularly, whether that's posting content weekly, nurturing an email list daily, or growing your client base. Learn and adapt. Stay ahead by continuously learning new strategies and tools. Markets and trends shift rapidly, so being adaptable will help keep you competitive. Network and collaborate. Surround yourself with people who are on the same journey. Join online forums, Facebook groups, or networking events in your field to share ideas, gain insights, and find potential partners or clients. Keep an eye on costs. costs. While many of these businesses can be started with less than $100, it's important to manage your cash flow carefully. Reinvest profits strategically to grow without stretching your budget too thin. Each of these 10 business ideas offers a unique path to making your first $1 million, even if you're starting with minimal capital. The opportunities range from cultivating microgreens at home and scaling up a video editing business to starting a faceless YouTube channel or leveraging your writing skills for copywriting and email marketing. The one thing they all have in common? They reward dedication, creativity, and the willingness to learn and adapt. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, pick the business idea that excites you the most and get started today. Remember, 2025 will be here sooner than you think, and your $1 million success story starts with the first step you take today. Thanks for watching. I hope you loved this How to Make Money video and found the content interesting and informative. Please like and leave a comment and your questions below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.